I'm going to create a new document now to show you how sharing and collaborative work is supported in Office 365. Again, I've chosen to create the Word document while in my OneDrive window, but you can in fact start the Word desktop app and then do a save to save it to your OneDrive. As long as the Word is connected to your 365 login, you'll be able to save directly online instead of saving to the local hard disk. It's worth setting this up first, so going into Word and editing it here will allow you to identify yourself to the system so that when you choose to open something in Word, it will know who you are. Once you've done that once, it should then remember and you should be able to use Word to save to OneDrive or to get stuff from OneDrive without any problem. I'm going to type something here, but the main thing that I want to do is not really to edit it in here specifically. What I want to show you is how you share it with other people. There's a big share button up at the top here, and it will open up in a moment with a little dialog box where you're able to type in people's names. So again, if I type in the start of someone's name, it will find that person, and that will allow me to share this document with that person. Only the people I specify can access to view it, but I can, if I wish, choose to allow them to also edit it. So I'm going to allow Sandra in this case to edit it, and if I hit send, that will now share this document with her, and we can both edit the same document. This is just great. I'm going to cancel it just now, but this is a great way of working on collaboratively because you're both working from the same document. You're not emailing different documents backwards and forwards to each other. You're not sticking it in a memory stick and ending up with multiple versions of the same thing. You are both editing the same documents, and you can in fact both edit the same document at the same time. Have a go, try it out, see how you go on.